We've
I'm gonna have to raise his volume. I can't hear what he's saying.
Right.
Happy brain.
I have returned.
That is amazing.
What's all charge?
Gosh.
I'll charge 6:45, so pretty soon. How have you been, Half a Brain?
I have been well.
That is amazing.
I have
What
been
the fuck was
well.
I'm sorry for that. I don't have any control over that. I can't
Do they need
I'll just mute
medical
my
help?
mic. No, I hope so.
There's someone nutting in the background. Someone's just
Yeah, it's
playing.
like,
Medical help would probably be the best case scenario. Like if they were bleeding out on the floor or something.
Mm-hmm.
I know CPR.
Well, that helps
Why the
someone
26
Actually,
Sounds
I think that would force more blood out when I think about
Alright,
it.
so where are we? What are we doing?
We're on the 63 server, and we are on the left side team.
What's the password?
See, I'm tabbed in the wrong channel.
Blizzard.
Check that out.
I
Gibbs,
think.
did you die?
Blizzard.
No, I
capital
didn't
B.
die.
Oh, Dave's over here.
Alright, I'm just gonna check the.
That's a lot of good people, T.
Oh, I got up down. That's pain.
That's like the 45E and KRA.
Oh, Blizzard with a capital D or B?
Free roam camera's nice. I can see who's who.
Was it a capital B?
I love how I stabbed through
Yes.
him, and then he just killed me once with a sword. Really love it.
Wow.
Hold on. Huh. No. Yeah. But look to the right.
Blizzard my balls.
Good try, Gibbs.
Oh.
I think Gibbs came.
There's a guy rapping Eminem and a guy blasting the bagpipes.
I apparently have mods to
what one?
load.
But there's
What was
no
that, Happy
Artie.
Brain?
I apparently have a shitload of mods to load.
Hmm. Even with no Artie, I'm still not fond of Grassy One.
That's
It's
understandable.
significantly better without Artie, though. It's playable.
Rooster, do I have permission just to warm up my hands for this round?
Yes,
Oh,
my
thank
poor
God.
freezing child. Do you have
I
gloves at all?
That doesn't help, and it makes the mouse feels weird.
Ah, okay.
And plus,
Revy's
it's
probably
from
got
just
gloves.
nervousness that my hands are cold.
Okay.
Are we Rhinebound?
We'll just go the classic way and head to the left, to the west.
Someone spawn Cav?
I'll risk it.
We're to the left side, west, southwest.
What, Zark?
Can I punch you?
Yes.
I ran into the bread man again.
The bread man? Do you know the
Is
bread
my
man?
game chip?
Did the bread man give us bread?
He bred you, that's for sure. I
I think I can hear you in game, but the violin is super loud.
The
And everyone else
violin?
is
Oh,
like
okay.
punching and healing, and there's other people talking. But I think I could hear you.
Because I was talking to him and he wasn't really like responding to me. So I just must just be really quiet.
Okay, for March.
Oh my god.
We got so many points.
Oh my god, how many lights do they have? Is it just 8? I
Yeah.
don't know why that looks like more than 8 for some reason. Like, because
1,
they're all right next to each
2,
other.
3, 4, 5, 6. I can't count.
It does. It looks more than 8, even though it's
I
not.
know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think they have 7 right now.
Yeah.
Plus the officer, which is
No,
8.
it's 8 lights.
No,
One
it's
of them's just
7.
in a different uniform. No, 2, and then 5, plus
Wait,
3.
the one in the back in a
8.
different uniform?
Yeah, that's a light.
Oh.
That big blue on
Mm.
top. That's what the French. That's like the
They
standard.
were hiding in each other.
Yeah, I had
I
a
mean,
good
I-
angle since I was furthest ahead of all of you.
Booster was getting upset that no one was believing him.
I've played this game far too long to not recognize that uniform. I'm alright. Present out there. It'll be like chest, shoulders, fire.
I got a hit at like knees.
Nice shot,
Kill
Malcolm.
next.
Madbox didn't get a hit
Sandler.
marker? Pog?
Sandler, you know you give us a bonus
Crazy.
when we shoot when you play, right?
Yeah, it's only a bonus when the musician is playing. Back it up here if you can. Send out there, shoulders, heads, and fire. And back down.
Move scrap!
Yeah, it's an awkward position we're trying to fit on this rock.
It's like,
Oh,
there's like a lot.
chased. Back up. Send heads-ish. Let's put both on those guys. Fire, Will.
Hey, marker.
Not Stanley.
Hey,
Oh
marker.
my god.
Shoulders.
Look at the kill feed.
Oh my goodness.
We
Look
are
at the
rolling them.
scoreboard.
We are rolling them.
We're nutting on them. Oh my god.
To my right here. Look right.
Oh.
Fire, have a clean shot.
Tires, dude. Oh shit,
No,
there's a Sandler.
Chandelier.
No, not Sandler.
I killed Jacob though.
Nah,
I killed
had-
someone though. I killed some guy from Detroit.
I can't believe they do that to him. Back up on the rock and just crouch on it. We'll keep low. I think they might have given up. Let's
Could
crouch,
aim.
crouch.
Never mind. Oh, they're
That
falling
dude sounds
back.
like
I will
Markiplier.
scout
Yeah,
Rooster.
let's go on our feet now.
That guy does not sound like Markiplier.
Oh, we already have.
I'm gonna take their silence and following me as a yes.
He said maybe.
I don't think
He
that's
said
how the world
maybe.
works.
Oh, we already have a lineup here too.
Vader's injured. Oh my god. That'll be $10.
Rooster just ate that bullet? Are you guys okay?
Yeah,
Rooster.
going. I don't need health. I don't believe in doctors.
Please don't
I
die.
don't believe in bullets.
That is a.
I don't believe in
I
dying.
like your way of
That's
thinking.
a pretty hefty claim.
If I don't believe in dying, therefore I can't die.
Don't need a doctor if you can't get hurt.
They're behind the rock. Ew.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
gonna
you're
pop
right.
out and
No, they're falling back. They're scared.
The pussy.
It's because Rooster's pushing that. They know.
At me.
You're
Who are
dogs.
you?
The lights right in front. Ignore that. Get a bit closer.
No.
Left to right here. Fire well at their lights, thighs to waist.
Oh,
Good
Good.
shot, Square. Good shot,
Don't
Square.
go
come here, yeah.
on this rock.
I missed.
Wait.
I cry.
Got him on
Who
the
you been aiming
run.
at?
The medic.
Oh,
I'll
alright,
charge
wait.
in like
Is he behind that rock?
20 seconds.
And double quick.
How did you miss that game?
Go back a bit, actually, go back.
Why?
Don't quite go that way.
Ooh, Rooster, I'll charge this in 10.
Yeah, I'm alright here.
In
Send it.
10 seconds already? We're just. I
Oh,
guess.
Well, we did kill like half of them.
Yeah. This might be
I
the
thought you all
quickest.
charged?
Yep, it's all charge time.
This might be the
I'm
quickest time to
pushing
alt
the
charge for
lights.
like a non last round.
Actually, I may push middle.
I might gotta TK a couple people for some kills.
There were some people hiding in Arty camp, I swear. They're probably hiding behind the tents.
I didn't see anybody when I was walking near it.
Well, I'm just gonna tilde key looking back.
As I'm doing. I'm waiting to see if they pop out. I don't see them. Maybe not. Maybe.
I'm gonna assume those people up here are good because there's like a bunch of them chasing
If you
them.
had like south, yeah. You should be able to kind of like somewhat cut these guys off.
Oh, those guys! I see you, Rooster. I'm on your
So
six.
either that's an army of allies or an army of enemies over here.
That is an army and enemies.
Oh.
That's what's left. It's just that we're yin-yanging them because we're all chasing.
I see you, Rooster.
Get him, Gibbs.
But you're still
Come over,
alive.
Rooster.
Yeah, but I'm shooting at melee right now. I haven't played properly in
Rooster
a while.
behind you. Not really, actually.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, their whole team's right here.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I got
god,
surrounded
hold
by
on.
6 people.
I'm gonna regroup our friendlies very quickly.
I just got game banged by like 40 British. Oh my god.
No.
I'm like kind of craving some meat, like chicken or steak. Come on, Madbox. Nice. Do the hype on shuffle.
Oh my god, a hit.
I have a request. Madbox.
Wait.
Can you TK Constantine?
How do you block that?
Wait, tell Beast Game I punched him. Please, Madbox. Madbox.
What?
Tell Beast Game I punched him.
You punched?
Just tell him that.
Let's go. Classic T.R.R.B victory.
Yeah, my monthly stats are looking stellar. 3 kills and 11 deaths.
I got
Fantastic.
one
That's
shooting
awesome.
1 minute.
I got 3 million kills and 1 death.
I know I'm not
Man,
attending
I'm-
today.
I like-
I actually got a kill.
I like Hudry Marsh, but auto admin funny name.
Random's a
We
funny
crashed
name.
the server.
Let's vote 3, yeah. Random's a funny name. It's so random and silly.
I'm still waiting to
14
load in.
random, you know?
Man, have you still not downloaded the mods?
I have downloaded the mods, but I'm stuck on the loading screen.
That sucks.
Try closing your game out, reopen it. If you haven't done one.
Fucking 63 bullshit.
What the heck is this? Zark
Is
made
this
this
map
map?
just named Zarkanov?
Austria.
Wait, is it actually his map? So you made a map.
Well, we're Austrian.
It is.
Is it the one that has, it's really hilly? Oh, okay. I've seen it, so not a fun map. If it is the one I think it is.
I want to go to the castle. We're gonna be
What the-
like east northeast.
Oh, it is the one I've seen. Oh yeah, so if you go to the left on this map, right? It's really hilly and it's easier for the other team to get a hill advantage, but if you go to the right, it's the same way for us. It's kind of a flip-flop map like that.
Can I punch you?
Yes.
Wait, so you still get 20 points?
Yeah.
I got kicked into
Oh,
a fire the second I.
Hey, Rooster,
what was
Rooster. Listen up.
That was square.
I don't know if you've seen this map yet. Have you? I don't know. Have you?
Do they revive you, Madbox?
What?
God damn it, I keep
Oh, yeah, they
finding side punches.
Yeah, I got
What
res-
side are we on?
Anyway,
Austria. We're on the left side team. And we are to the east.
so Rooster,
Yes?
have you seen this map before?
No.
Okay. So to the left over there, it looks flat, but there's a bunch of hills on the other side.
much?
There's a pinnacle point that's going to be a pain.
Uh-huh.
We'll catch it first. On this side, it's kind of the same way. Just we have the hills more on our side. It's kind of gross. So you know.
Dude, I only get 85 points, but Rooster gets 260. That's crazy.
So you lose points for punching.
I know that, but
Captain.
And I earn points from the doctor for being a good boy. It's like getting a lollipop. Instead, I just get points.
for real.
Train Boy? KRA Train Boy.
Interview from Zark himself. Apparently, this map is fucking ginormous.
Yeah, it's a big map.
This
It's
is
a
the
very
first
big
time I've played this map.
I've not seen this map.
I
Okay.
yeah, it's a big map. I've seen it one time when he was making it. It's pretty big.
Oh, you
How
had
the
to
hell
put your
is
Not a
fucking
great
line
cap
there,
map.
didn't you?
Oh.
We're up here. Hello, Bassman, Bassman.
Oh, it's
East? What?
Oh, that's east. Hi,
Is
east.
I thought East was retired.
Is there a Friday event?
Yeah,
Yep.
Yes,
yes.
there is.
Oh, damn. Bro. I'll see if I can get on. in
Is
time
this
for it.
East's big return to
We
Holdfast?
did it, guys. We made it to the
He didn't
castle.
retire ever.
Why did it
Just
look
a
so
beautiful
much
outside
closer
room.
from a distance, but it's
Oh,
really
I
far
see.
out.
I see. East.
Yeah.
No, not the direction. Not
Am I right?
discriminator.
Mid to top smoke and fire.
Discriminator.
And back it up.
Oh, there's lines north. I think. I honestly can't tell. But I saw a couple people.
Understood.
Hold.
That's right. So, anywhere from head to top smoke and fire. And back it up. Yeah, this tree's getting in our way.
Can I go look over here to the northeaster?
Yes.
Oh, no, man, I think you see that.
That's right here. Sent in front, up the hill, heads, fire.
Oh, don't
Thanks,
think
I
man.
don't know who's an enemy,
shot, Santa.
so I'm gonna hold my shot for now.
Sorry, babe, do you... Nah, they're not.
Rooster, watch East.
Oh, what?
Understood, understood.
Someone just
Double
ate a
click when
shot.
you're loaded.
How'd you say, Rooster?
I was gonna ask something, but then I changed my mind. I didn't want it anymore.
Massive
They're
bunch
still
of
up
right?
Yep.
Alright, behind here, Rooster, I think. Wait, are they?
I'm there. Keep low.
Oh, they're right here, they're right behind this wall.
Keep low. Left to right, left to right. Fire will. Move it more left, move it more left. Don't get close to it. Just
Oh,
keep
they're getting
going.
all charged, or they're charging right now.
Right here. Fire at will now.
Ooh, they
I
went
should
for
not be
melee
able to fire.
charge.
Don't go in yet. I don't know what's there. Okay,
They're all
it's
dead.
Is there someone to your left? I saw where that guy died.
Oh, we're by their camp?
You guys at the castle?
Yes.
Nah, it's just gonna be like a solid 2-minute walk there.
good work there, boys. It's okay. I'll let you rest on me, Gibbs.
Balls.
Is that a rock or a musician? No, that's a rock.
Oh my god.
Dwayne the Rock Johnson.
Left to right here. You can kind of see him through the foliage. Thighs, waist. It's fire.
Damn.
Oh,
There you go.
Good shots. Good
was-
shot.
that was beautiful, boys.
There's my one kill of the match.
Let's go, T. 1 kill.
Let's go. I bid
Hello,
you
Rooster
adieu.
Star's zero
I've
kills,
done my
but yeah, he's on
duty.
top of the leaderboard.
Blue pants.
Break right action real quick. I don't know.
I've earned a 12-month break
Right.
after that in Blue
Right.
Boys 50-meter kill. Wait.
Oh, move right? Okay.
I think you go out to that hill over there, that big one.
Yeah, but you can see them.
It's empty.
Let's go see if I can go out there.
Half-a-brain, get the fuck down, crouch.
Can you right here?
And boys, follow me. The one in gray.
I was getting
Kind of sure where the war
confused.
barrier
Okay,
is.
half brain's
Half-a-brain,
going.
come back. Half-a-brain, come
Half-a-brain,
back.
that's the wrong person.
Oh, this is the war barrier. It's like right on the edge of this rock.
Oh, there's a line in the valley.
I think Beta pushed up. What that is?
No, that's
They're
2
aiming
BIR,
towards,
Zark.
You stand by me. Stand by me.
That
Wait,
is
which one's here?
30. I don't know.
I got
Oh,
it.
I stood behind you and still died. That's fantastic.
Square!
Bad.
You should have
Stand
just.
behind me and then get shot.
They arced it, dog.
Oh, someone ate a shot.
Don't die.
Good for
She
them.
did. Come on, T, let me heal you. T, come over here, let me heal you.
If you got
Somebody other than Soy Bear, please.
Ooh.
I'm really hoping they have not gone their reloads.
I highly doubt it.
I think they're getting pressured.
They,
from
they
right.
do.
They did, they did.
Run all around, run all around, run all around.
Aww.
Oh,
Oh. They
No.
still have shots!
charge Rooster.
We're still a 3-man, Rooster. Rooster. Oh.
No! I'm sorry, Rooster.
It's okay. Just kill him, Soybe. That's all
I
want.
got him.
Oh, jeez.
Keep charging, Soybe. Don't give up. Never back down, never what.
Never give up.
Oh, what the I got blindsided.
Oh, dude, I feel. Oh, dude, we could have won that probably if I didn't kill him.
I shouldn't have gambled with their reloads there.
My nose.
Come on, get them.
I did.
We're a bigger line than the 69th. Crazy.
The gamer medal.
Oh my goodness, we are.
I'm gonna go flex it to them.
Would you like to negotiate your surrender?
Listen, put your hands up.
But I'm dead.
I am willing to accept your surrender. Don't miss. You look very.
I don't think we missed.
Dave, I need a band-aid.
Yeah?
How is it going, guys?
Going pretty good. My cold is significantly better.
Oh, you got sick? Oh, same. I was in the same boat last week.
Yeah.
Yeah. I played the Tuesday event last week, and then I was like, I gotta go to bed. 6 o'clock, and I just need to go to bed.
Yeah. I'm still like a little congested, but my nose isn't like constantly running or anything. Sore throat's gone.
Good.
I'm able to breathe through my nose again. So all good.
Come back in.
That's good.
How'd the round go?
So,
That's right,
do
guys.
you have
Round.
allies anywhere, by the way?
I think I'd
I
booster.
think it went pretty well up until I was hoping they didn't have their reloads, which they did.
Oh.
I think if I moved on that ridge on like the right side of the hill, we could have been fine. We could have broken to the side, but
That's gay.
Guys, that's map edge. Guys, that's
Holdfast
map edge. Don't
is-
run that way. Guys, that's map edge. Why you don't go that way, guys?
They're all about to get shanked. Yep, there it is.
Fun to map, everybody.
oh wait, there's a bridge, but it's severely broken and not at all usable.
East.
Yeah, I'm open.
You getting on? Dude, I got I was working on the car today, in my summer car or whatever, and I got all the electrical working. That's what like got me stuck for the past like day or so. But the engine still won't start, and I can't figure out why.
Have you watched a YouTube video?
Yeah, I mean I've been trying to like do it on my own too, but I watched a YouTube video on the wiring because I couldn't figure that out, so I did all that. But it won't even like crank. It's not even like trying to. So I
Did
think
you put a battery in it?
There's a battery in it.
Have you tried
There's
turning that off and on again?
150 notifications and announcements. 63.
So I think I messed up something with the wiring because it's not even like trying to crank.
Don't even type out the password in the announcements anymore.
Blizzard.
How's my
It's in the
dyslexic
post.
ass gonna fucking know how to spell Blizzard? And news for me today, I unlocked the Harrier.
Nice.
It is dog ass to fly a plane at that BR without missiles.
What BR is that at?
9-7.
Oof.
Yeah.
That's fun.
I have flares at least, but trying to dogfight when you have like, at least with missiles, if there's somebody that's like an easy target, you can just missile them. You don't have to fucking dogfight them with only guns. If you want kills, you kind of just have to dive in, and you die 90% of the time.
Would anyone like to lead?
Select server.
Alright, have frame will
63.
lead. What map would you like?
Random.
Random.
Got it.
If Desert Plains wins, it just won't make sense. Why does everybody vote Cat Dog? I do not like Cat Dog.
Everyone likes Cat Dog. They're all a bunch of
I bet you it's just because it's called Cat Dog.
Oh,
I honestly really like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think it's just because I'm a Cav player. I think that's why I don't like it.
Yeah.
But it's not a bad Cav map.
It is, Skips. It is.
It's an ass.
No, it's
Too much
not.
grass.
It's an ass.
Too much
Cav
grass.
map.
Well, maybe if you put on your glasses.
Not that, but like the all the water and the banks.
We
Like,
can jump over the water.
If you
Yes,
still
but
want
it slows
to
you down.
NCO medic form.
What?
So Soybear if he wants to be NCO medic for you, but
Soybear,
he's
do you want to
muted.
be NCO medic? So I guess we're the Rhine bun?
I can do it if he doesn't respond.
yeah, we're Ryan Bun.
Staying there as NCO medic. Let's go.
Password was incorrect.
Blizzard with a capital B.
Oh, that's why.
Ah, shit, I was muted.
Don't worry, your officer is preparing himself. Give him 2 minutes. There we are.
Custom mod map. Download.
Oh, I'm dying.
Oh wait, Soyber is in here.
What's happening?
Okay, I also want medics.
Where are you?
Rooster, we have 2 medics.
You just not listening.
What?
We have 2 medics for this round, Rooster.
I was muted by accident.
Yeah, and I didn't hear that.
I can
and then
respawn
still
probably.
went.
Kill me. It was a simple mistake. No,
I'm not gonna kill you, no.
not killing anyone.
Be a man!
Why you gotta spurn out with a little bit of a disease on it?
What?
You know,
It's just his sleeping gown.
you know, I
It's
just woke
59, don't got a medic, I think, I honestly.
Hey Zark, we were actually really big fans of that map. Really good job.
Yeah.
We're live.
That's the last thing they made before the gene broke.
Are we right or left?
We are live.
I could be a scout.
We're random.
Ryan,
Half a brain is live.
It's live, by the way, half a brain.
Grenadier.
It's better than the 1.3 map where there's like no hills at all.
I'm just sick of playing Tahira.
No, I kind of like the last.
I'm gonna go on side quest and healing people.
You close your fields?
That sounds like a great.
First map ever made.
It is.
Rooster.
Although it's a tad bit big, but other
The
than
UI
that,
is
it's been fun.
Have you ever had an impossible burger?
You have not played in a while if you think it's new.
More
You see, I
ways
did
to
try
play
and
the
Is
game,
it
get
right?
good
once,
tasting?
and then I grew tears.
That's true, that's true.
Varied play styles.
Impossible's
So
not
tell
my
me, is there
favorite,
any
but
way-
Why do I
alright.
yell when I jump?
Is there any?
Well, actually, they changed
Could you
the
grunt
recipe
him?
at some
Oh my god, hold on, I
point.
can't hear.
I liked the older ones,
I've
but
never
the newer
yelled
ones
while
suck.
Is there
fucking
any
jumping before.
Dude,
Does it taste
have you seen the
something like meat,
Olympics?
Yeah. Even during powerlifting, they're like, "Ah."
Oh shit, they wanna, that's different, they're trying to lift shit.
It's a little different.
I know.
It's pretty
But
cool.
why? Like when you're jumping, you don't need to be making this noise. Dramatic.
If you do like the long jumping where you have to try to jump as high as you can, I think you can grunt that.
That's called pole
On
vault.
my left
Not.
and right, on my left and
Alright, wait, no, that's the one where you have to, not the one where you use the stick.
left and right, fire at will.
Hey, go up, BR.
It's always when I'm trying to shoot right below the sides. When I'm not aiming, and I get a kill.
Gotcha.
Get out of
Where are you
here!
going?
That was
There you are. You're here.
Get out of here.
Well, if it ain't ball stabbing McCoy.
Back.
Oh, they're coming.
to say that was pretty cool. Though.
Melee,
Alright, rest fight.
melee, get in there.
Watch TPs.
Oh, I got
Oh, Jake, I got a hit marker on him in melee. That's why I put guard.
I don't have arrow.
Yeah, I don't have ammo either.
Get behind the wall if you don't have ammunition.
Thank you.
Stop touching my guys.
Wait, where's my line?
Oh.
Square.
With me.
Let's go over the top. Let's go over the top.
Left and right.
Oh.
Fire.
Oh, I missed!
No problem.
Why did
Come on, let's reinforce
Really, Ace for the music.
Half a brain. Half a brain.
Not here, not here.
Wait. We didn't finish our reloads yet when you sing with
And you got 3.
No. I don't know where they are. I'm just blind fine.
Alright, come on. Move back. We're very separated.
Ow.
For God's sake.
I remember why I played guard, because I got a hit marker in the melee, and someone else stole my kill.
He told us to reload and then ran up and said left and right. We're like, no, that's right.
Why didn't you have your reload?
Run, Soybe, run.
He told us to shoot a second.
Run, Soybe.
I surrender!
No, you.
Don't trust them. They'll kill you, Soybe. They're greedy.
Nuh-uh.
How do we know
got the
that
flagpole, there's a guy at
research
the
isn't a part of
flagpole.
the FBI?
Wait.
Cloud, they are that way. They are that way. Don't know.
I can't put my way. I can't put my.
Yeah, that's.
Oh.
How the fuck?
Oh, you get shot by Amy. On.
Okay, maybe if we throw down our weapons, we'll move faster.
Oh, excuse me, sorry.
Thank you, Amy.
What's
I
that
don't want to talk about it.
say? Rooster, tell me government secrets. I know you're part of the FBI.
Got a hand
just go.
to the lamb.
Oh no!
Do it or I'm eating chicken nuggets.
Oh my god, you see what Amy did?
Government invented silly potty.
We good?
Knew it.
Don't do that. No! Please!
Amy.
I don't want to die. I can't keep going.
I'm a big fan, Amy.
Have a brain just baiting their shots.
Oh boys. Just dip, bro. What are you doing, Charles? Get out of here.
Don't worry, they shot. They're cowards. They shot. Oh, it's AC boys. Charge them! Oh fuck! Huh?
Oh my god.
We got this, Figo. Don't
You win these, kids. You win these.
Oh, dude, I just...
Frenchman, make me
You're bad.
Come on!
Thank you.
Good try, Gibbs.
I took 3 with me.
Indeed.
Who's left? Oh, don't worry. Swedish is gonna clutch. Oh wait, huh? Where are these?
Why am I hearing either a small child or a woman?
It's either T or Sandler.
Mo?
Why couldn't you be dust? Why are you good?
What happened?
I'm the one to ask
I
the
don't know.
question, so
Who's
it'd be
watching
for
the
me.
video?
Stuff on top of my fridge.
I was. Now I'm watching the game. I won't be able to
Will you
get
stick
anymore.
out the next round?
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
Fell off.
Oh, it's because he has a
damn.
pike. It's because he had a pike.
Haben den Sieg errungen.
GG boys.
I'm offended Amy shot me across with the pistol. Oh, please don't be Desert Plains 1. Please don't be 1.
Everybody
Harry
vote
the
Desert
Platypus?
Plains 1.
1.
Desert Plains, Desert Plains.
1.
Desert Plains, Desert
1.
Plains.
1.
Desert Plains,
I
Desert
swear, if it's more by 3 votes, I'm
There's
TKing
no fish
someone.
on that map. So
I'm
no.
TKing someone if it's Desert Plains. Oh my god, thank god.
Well, there should be fish on this map. You can ice
There's
fish.
no fish on that map. There's no water. It's desert. Oh well,
Rejoice.
there's water. I guess.
Rooster.
Alright.
Can you be intro medic?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
What fish do you think is in the lake?
What about the lake?
Whitefish.
White
Probably
fish? You think whitefish is in the lake?
Yeah.
I think water's in the lake.
There's water in there too.
I think the same thing.
Wait, if you guys have a white uniform, please go away. I want to see an all white.
You want us to be camouflaged?
Supremacist.
Yes, white. Go white as possible.
Well, I can go grenadier or guard.
Are they white? Like everything white, almost?
Yeah, essentially.
Well, all of the troops here are European, so all of them are white.
Let's go straight down the middle, southwest.
I'm just happy that got a hit marker, or that I was hit markered and not completely killed.
We're on the left.
I am
Oh, my lag.
southwest. This is not the middle.
We're rehabund or whatever.
My FPS is tanking.
I have basically.
Rooster, can you please find me for points? I gotta get top of the leaderboard and die.
Dude, why? There was so many other people on the other
T.R.R.B. 69 Royal Crusaders from London.
Someone help me! He's stabbing me!
For some reason.
I'm being stabbed. He's stabbing me in the ass cheeks. Help me! He's stabbing me in the balls.
Bro, I got you!
Oh, run down! Please!
I got you! Move out the way!
Why are you kicking the guy that's getting shanked?
I'm trying to kick you, Rooster.
Oh,
get away from Mr. President! Shank me instead!
Me. Please kick me again, I'm glitched.
What?
Get in there. Give it a sniff.
Are you still
I got
going?
down.
Yeah, like, I was stuck holding a stab with my knife and I couldn't do anything.
Oh, what? Auto not working.
I'm like half AFK.
Why are people? What? Why is somebody spamming?
What's going on over there?
That's
a beautiful line.
53 saying. I remember seeing it way back in like a Mountain Blade Napoleonic.
Oh my god, the Wayback Machine from.
I just want to know why
Peabody
everybody
and
spammed it at the same time. They had like, I think they told the entire KRA to spam it. Or something.
Today's mission, guys, is to kill Amy because she's stinky.
Mountain Blade
Agreed.
Napoleonic.
What map is this again? Oh,
Other
it's on
times
this
it's
side.
changed.
I gotta get a 45-meter pistol because I don't have that achievement yet.
East.
Today might be the day.
Is this a big enough river to put a kayak in and start fishing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably.
If it wasn't frozen, yes. You could put a kayak on it and fish it while it's frozen. You just wouldn't have much luck.
Well, you're gonna be like a, I don't know, a dog slipping on ice. Oh, they are fully pushing
nah, don't line up, don't line up. I'm gonna hold here. Line up behind me. Couch. Wait, was I going to that hill to the left of us?
Like right there's one line on the far back one, but the closer.
Alright, line it to my left and right real quick. And probably like shoulders, head, fire.
I got a hit.
How do you change your viewpoint?
What? Get back down the hill.
C.
E?
What?
C.
Get behind me.
C as in
thank you, C.
As in
It has
cocaine.
been a while.
Hey, break through this rock. Hey, run to this rock. Oh shit. Break left. Break left. No, Square, stop dying, Square.
It's Square every time.
God damn it, Square, stop dying. Why is it you every time? I swear.
You know,
Stop dying. I love you, Square, but like you gotta stop dying.
Didn't work.
Like, I love you as a friend, but you got like a curse or something.
That's why he's back.
Mr. Soldier,
Hey, line up, jump on the
I
rock.
see them.
Line up, quick. Aim like just.
Mr. Soldier, there is a line northwest, me lord.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, there is.
No.
I see it right now, it's about to fire.
Nuh-uh.
If we don't look at it,
Oh
they
wait, no,
can't
there
see us.
is. They're coming over the hill. They're about to come over this little mound.
Which one? The one to the west?
The
or
one
the one to
that's
the northwest?
like in front of
Hey, move back, break.
Right there to our left. To the west.
Break left. Break right. No, just fucking break.
Oh my god, we're dying.
Getting his siren head.
Yep. Just run back. Just fall back. I'm a shit show right now. I'm like JFK's wife after you got shit. Like, I can't speak.
They are completely eviscerating her right
Every
now.
time I thought I could
I'm severely autistic right now.
Maybe you were taken over by the spirit of Siren Head.
I don't know what to do.
Sir, they have the high ground. So, you got that plan?
Wait, Cold Steel, weren't you?
Is it me or is it a bullet coming at us?
Sir,
Yeah.
I can see them.
Okay, I'm not tripping.
Sir, they also happen to be white.
Line up left and right, aim probably like shorter head fire. I know, or actually in the low and lower. In my stomach.
I got shot. Rooster, I got shot, right?
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Bye.
It's just damage from FOL.
No, I took full damage.
Line up left and
They have lights, they have
right.
lights.
Oh, good. Hold on, get down.
We could crouch up and then stand up to fire.
Okay, catch that to left and right, fire, and aim like shoulder, stomach, something. Break down, I get into that line, southwest. Never mind.
Run Nation, bro.
Let's move to the right.
The other line. Actually, no, they do have a medic.
Move right face.
What are we hitting the Quiddy?
I need to get a little wheel though, 'cause 69th don't.
Thank you, Rooster. I love you.
Crouch up, crouch. Wait. Crouch up to my left and right, but don't stand up. Put your bayonet away. Put your bayonet away, or you don't have to take glasses.
There it is.
Stand there, put your gun away.
Hello, yeah. Hello. Hello.
Should we do it? I feel like we should stand. Left and right, quick. Aim probably knees, fire. Ooh, I wasn't knees. Ah, damn it. Now we got. Okay, we still got kill. Right face.
I think it was just shot dispersion. I aimed like knees and hit him in the head face.
Yeah, I got a hit somehow, which I'm dumbfounded by. Oh,
They might get charge buff on.
I have charge buff.
Or just bad luck.
Wait,
Then we
did
should
we win the
put-
right hand flank?
Okay, right hand, face.
How did we get around them?
They're stupid.
No, I'm just
That's
morbidly
another-
confused. Morbid? That's not the right word. Oh, no, we kind of just...
You mean like the vampire?
Oh my god.
Morbin time?
Oh, right face, hold on. Let's, quick, I will.
Hey, Mark, are you
Oh,
serious?
shit behind us.
Oh, break back into the river, boyos.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Stand there, we're free.
My horrendous leading saved us.
I'm gonna go meditate and try not to get hit markers.
Wait, we show you for some more thunder later?
I am.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat dinner now. Probably be back on in like an hour or so.
Alright, you enjoy it.
Supposed to be on after this?
There should be.
Yeah, I thought so.
Ward wasn't on my side for this one. Multiple hit markers, can't do anything about it.
I just watched Ryan just wait, hold on, there's another man.
Gibbs doxing someone.
Stay down. Yes, up, there's a line coming, get ready.
We're baiting.
Present fire.
I just don't move.
Break down.
That's how you crouch.
Charge.
I don't know. I don't know. We should go.
Vex, it's been an honor. There's a 3-man. I'm dead.
Is anybody still here?
7 Foos?
Blood.
What about them?
Blood.
No, I meant in this voice chat. I checked it.
Fuck them
There.
up, Okay, come here, let me heal you.
Is this last round?
Probably. Unless they do an AC round.
Oh,
okay,
they
there
just
we go.
go for the last round. Oh, post your kills, boys. I hope you had a good time. I think it was a pretty decent event.
Stanley, you're not gonna make it.
Kind of bad all charge balancing.
What? Whatever. The second one's for game in peace now.
Oh. I don't have to stress. Alright, I gotta do spreadsheet now.
You got a spread?
Them cheeks?
On God.
Oh, that was painful. How many spreadsheets do I have to do? Only 3? Okay. Nope, 4. Okay. Wait, 5. Damn it.
No, freeze fight, man. Come on. No, Lorenzo, no. No, no, cagón.
Right, so, naval, question mark?
Does seem like it's gonna be happening. Beast is down there in the Wraith Squadron chat.
Lovely. Well, I shall see you gentlemen next time, hopefully.
Alright, you enjoy your naval.
I shall. Take care, Rooster.
You too.
Hello.
Hello, is this the naval event?
Yes, it is.
Lovely.
And I
I guess we're the only 2 people here.
so far.
Jeez, it's been a while since I bloody did any Wraith Squadron stuff.
Well, this is just the siege event, so it's not so much sailing.
Fair enough. Is the server up, though?
We do not have info yet. No.
Oh, sad. Alright, well, I guess I'll just do public naval for a little bit until the server announcement is done.
Okay, no pub event. Sorry. I mean, sorry, no naval event. They're doing a pub stomp instead, but that's kind of stupid because we can't count kills. So you're good.
Right, well.
Well, I'm gonna go play War Thunder with Rooster then.
Fair enough. Question, do I have War Thunder? Oh, I did have War Thunder. I almost stole it. Fuck it, why not? Alright, well, I guess that concludes that. I'll